In this video, I'll show you how to send money from Apple Pay Cash to PayPal using a simple workaround. First, it's important to know there's no direct transfer button from Apple Pay Cash to PayPal. Instead, you'll move the money through your bank account or debit card that connects to both. Start by opening the Wallet app on your iPhone and tapping your Apple Cash card. Tap the More or three-dot icon, then choose Transfer to Bank. Enter the amount you want to move. Select Instant Transfer, or 1 to 3 business days. Pick your bank or debit card and confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Once the money arrives in your bank, open PayPal and log in. Go to Wallet, then tap Add Money or Transfer Money and choose your linked bank account. Enter the same amount, review the details, and confirm the transfer into your PayPal balance. Alternatively, you can just link the same debit card you used with Apple Cash to PayPal and use it as a funding source when you send money, even without topping up your balance. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.